The US just attacked Iran. Shipping lanes are blocked and an Indian vessel just hit at sea. The Indian government just announced a massive 0% central tax rule. Defense company fraud case and sudden banking moves are going to discuss in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today's date is June 11, 2026 and you are watching today's post-market report. As we discussed that US has started attacks on Iran this morning in our pre-market video. So on that response, from Iran has officially repeated that Strait of Hormuz remains closed until further notice, threatening to restrict a massive portion of global oil and trade. This comes as Iran's foreign minister declared that recent US military attacks that have turned any potential ceasefire meaningless. Iran stated it is now determined to hit back and neutralize the origin of those attacks. Adding fuel to this fire, breaking reports revealed that an Indian commercial vessel that named MT Jalveer has just come under a fresh attack at sea, with shipping lane blocked and vessel targeted. Global oil markets and maritime trades are on high alert. Today, markets opened with gap down but recovered by the afternoon. However, they began to fall as soon as Indian commercial vessel news came out regarding an attack on at sea. And there is a big update from Indian government related to fuel. India is taking a massive step towards cleaner and cheaper fuel. Government has officially announced a complete excise duty exemption on petrol mixed with higher level of ethanol. Petrol containing anywhere from 22% to 30% ethanol will be entirely exempt from this central tax. The tax breaks apply strictly to the ethanol part of the mix, and the government plan to use this same tax-free approach for even higher blends in the future. While the tax cuts are not yet started, the actual public rollout of these higher fuel blends will happen gradually after extensive vehicle testing and consultations. With this news, today sugar stocks rises about 3.5%. What do you think about this government aggressive interest on mixing ethanol in petrol? With this, people will get help or going to lose their vehicle condition and mileage. Please let me know your thoughts on below in the comment section. Another update from banking sector is major Indian banks are aggressively competing for foreign currency. In a sudden wave of updates, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank have all hiked their interest rate on non-resident foreign currency deposits. These three banks have officially raised their 3 to 5 years FCNRB means non-resident foreign depository rates to a 6%. The question here is, why is this happening? Indian banks are looking to attract more stable dollar-backed foreign currency inflow from NRIs to boost their liquidity for overseas investors. It is a golden opportunity to lock in higher tax-free returns back to home. So with this, India will have more foreign reserves and it will help to stop rupee decline in terms of dollar. Next, HAL has officially filed a criminal complaint over reportedly forged test reports linked to the prestigious Tejas Mk1A fighter jet program. The complaint is direct against a Hyderabad-based supplier named Tech Aero Devices. HAL claimed that the company submitted fake and manipulated testing documents for parts crucial to the fighter jet project. Following this complaint, the police have officially registered a criminal case against Tech Aero Devices CEO M. Shivarama Prasad on serious charges including cheating and forgery. This developing scandal could mean tighter scrutiny for local defense supply chains. Remember guys that I upload this pre-market video every single morning before market opens and post-market video right after the market close in the evening. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. And there is a positive news for Patanjali stock. Consumer goods company Patanjali has received a major legal breather. The state government of Maharashtra officially assured the Bombay High Court that it will temporarily stop all ongoing raids on the company. This decision comes in connection with the controversial misleading Ayurvedic label case, where Patanjali faces intense scrutiny over the medical and health claims made on its product packaging. While this assurance stops immediate government raids, the broader legal battle over product labeling and consumer transparency is far from over. And a positive update from TCS is Tata Consultancy Service is making a massive move into artificial intelligence. TCS has officially announced a global premier partnership with Anthropic. Anthropic is one of the world's leading AI company and the creator of Cloud AI. And I hope you know about Cloud AI. This strategic partnership means TCS will integrate Anthropic advanced AI model directly into its tech services. It will allow TCS to build and deploy powerful, highly secure generative AI solution for its massive roster of enterprise clients worldwide. Guys, if you think this video is informative, then please hit the like button right now. Next, from Hindustan Copper, there is a positive news for investors. Hindustan Copper is making a massive comeback. The company has officially reopened its Chendadi copper mine after being shut down since 25 years long, aiming for an output of 225,000 tons per year. This is part of massive expansion drive. Hindustan Copper plan to more than double the mine's ore production capacity, pushing it from 210,000 to 450,000 tons per annum. At the same time, the government launched an expansion of its ICC concentrator plant, more than doubling its capacity to 9 lakh tons. This marks a massive boost to the company's long-term production and revenue potential. And there is four positive news from four pharma companies today. First one is from Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Glenmark Pharma Company has officially launched Winlevi cream across key European countries for treating acne. This is a huge deal for Glenmark. It marks their very first new chemical entity launched in Europe, meaning they are bringing a unique, newly approved medicine formula directly to the European market. By launching directly in multiple European markets, Glenmark significantly strengthens its high margin dermatology portfolio. Second update is from Alembic Pharmaceuticals. Alembic Pharma Company has officially received tentative approval from US FDA for its generic capsules. This is a critical oncology drug. It is specifically used to treat both adult and pediatric cancer patients suffering from advanced solid tumors. This approval unlocks a notable revenue stream. The drug has an estimated US market size of around $91 million for the last 12 months. The third update from AstraZeneca Pharma. AstraZeneca Pharma Company has officially received India's Central Drug Regulator, the CDSCO, for an additional use of its advanced drug. This is a critical breakthrough of oncology. The new approval specifically allows this medicine to be prescribed for an additional indication in treating patients with HER2 positive breast cancer. It significantly expands the eligible patients based for one of AstraZeneca's premium cancer therapies in India, setting the stage for high product volume and a strong oncology revenue pipeline. And last, fourth update is from Cipla. Cipla has just received a major regulatory relief for its manufacturing operations. The US FDA has officially classified the company's key manufacturing unit in Varna, Goa, a voluntary action indication. This decision follows a detailed inspection conducted by the US regulator in this year, April. A VAA status is a great sign. It means that while some minor issues were found, they are not required strict legal or administrative actions, and the plant can smoothly continue its operations from now. On today's market session, Oracle Financial Services stock price has dropped over 2% in afternoon. The stock slid down more than 200 rupees per share. By the end of the day, share price closed at down 1.8%. It's because of reaction to the fourth quarter financial results released by its US-based parent company, Oracle Corporation. Because the Indian subsidiary heavily relies on the global pipeline and performance of its parent firm, any unexpected shift or numbers in the US earning report instantly impact investors' sentiment. Next, there is an order update from BHEL. BHEL company has officially emerged as the successful bidder for a major power project tender from Damodar Valley Corporation. The contract is worth over 90 crores. BHEL will handle the entire main plant package, including massive boiler, turbine, and generator, for a massive 800 megawatt supercritical thermal power station located in Durgapur. So those are the important updates you need to know. We'll meet you right here in tomorrow's pre-market video. Until then, signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.